from the hard court, how about some news on the Terraflex here at home? The Creamline Cool Smashers are one win away from returning to the PBL All-Filipino Conference semifinals. The Cool Smashers showed no signs of rust as they swept the Cherry Tigo Crossovers in Game 1 of their best-of-3 quarterfinal series. Final score, 25-10, 27-25, and 25-21. A vintage performance here from the phenom, Alyssa Valdez, who had a near triple-double for Creamline. Valdez had 16 points on 64% attacking efficiency. She also had 13 excellent digs and 9 excellent receptions. The victory is sweeter for Cool Smashers head coach Sherwin Meneses. It's his 100th win as a PBL head coach.
Siyempre, masaya at na-achieve yung 100. Sana mas madami pang panalo na dumating. Especially this season, this conference na nagdagay yung panalo pa. Especially sa mga next games namin. Siyempre, ako naman yung situation na nandyan palagi, yung lagi yung pinag-ahandaan namin. Yung past kasi, medyo nandyan yan, pero nakapokus kami dun sa future tsaka mga next game. Doon lang naman ako nagpo-focus palagi. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy and mag-improve pa palagi yung team na hinahawakan ko. Mas mababait naman talaga sila. So mga masinuri naman. So ganoon naman talaga. Kailangan yung chemistry ng coaches and players okay.
Kevin, Coach Sherwin, I'm with Coach Sherwin since Ateneo, other professional teams then. So we've been together for so long. It's just so nice na magkasama pa rin kami na na-achieve ni Coach Sherwin yung mga ganitong milestones. And, you know, this kind of milestones also secured or polished also kung gaano siya katibay or gaano siya ka-effective as a coach. So it's just, I'm just very grateful and blessed to be under his mentorship as well.